Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through a massive time saver for anyone managing business finances: how to extract data from uploaded files using Zoho Books. If you are tired of manually typing in every single detail from your receipts and bills, this process is going to change your workflow entirely. We will look at how to leverage automated document scanning and OCR technology to get those numbers into your system in seconds. If this tutorial helps you save time with your accounting, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tools and software guides. Let's dive right into the screen. The first thing you need to do is ensure you are logged into your Zoho Books account. Once in your dashboard, head over to the left-hand sidebar. You are looking for the section labeled Documents. Go ahead and click on that to open up your document management area. This is the heart of your digital filing system. Now, once you are inside the Document section, you will see an Auto-Scan tab. This is where the magic happens. You should have your receipts or bills ready on your desktop. Simply drag and drop your file directly into that Auto-Scan area in your browser. Zoho will now begin the process of uploading and analyzing your document. Using advanced OCR technology, or optical character recognition, the system will read the vendor name, the date, the invoice number, and the total amount automatically. You'll see the system processing the file, and once it's fully complete, you will see your document appear in the list. Now here's where you make these files actionable. Click on the document you just processed to view a preview. You will notice clear highlighted sections where the system has identified the key financial data. Take a moment to verify that the information extracted matches your document. Once you are confident that the details are correct, look for the action buttons at the top of the interface. You will see options to convert to expense or convert to bill. Depending on what that document represents, select the appropriate option. Zoho will then pre-fill a new transaction form with all the extracted data already populated in the correct fields. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reduces human error, and gets your books updated in a fraction of the time. It is a seamless way to handle your paperwork without the headache of spreadsheets. If you found this quick guide useful and it helps streamline your accounting process, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. If you run into any issues with the OCR scanner or have questions about how these bills link to your accounts, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.